Welcome back everyone! In the last video, we made a hovercraft using an old city. In this video, let's talk about how and why the city hovercraft works. When you open the bottle cap, the air from the balloon pushes down the table. This is Newton's third law of motion. The third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Simply, if you push an object, the object pushes back in the opposite direction with equal power. In this case, the air from the balloon pushes down the table, so the table pushes back the CD. This reaction lifts the CD a little bit, so the CD can hover. A real hovercraft can glide over land, snow, ice, and even water. Since a hovercraft can travel both on land and water, it is also called an amphibious vehicle. It is so fun, right? This is for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will come back with another fun science activity in the next video. See you soon. Bye!